Hello everyone, my name is Naysila Nandita. I'm from 03.2B.07 class, and my student number is 73240013. I'm here for showing my opinion about smoking in campus area. First of all, smoking is a bad habit that is unfortunately very normalized nowadays. In fact, if you look at it from any angle, there is nothing good that can come from smoking. Smoking has significant negative impact on health. It can causing or worsening numerous disease and condition. It is a major cause of cancer, heart disease, stroke, and lung disease. Smoking also weakens the immune system, making individuals more susceptible of infection. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area is selfish. Smokers do not care at all about other people or the students who do not smoke, but they still have to inhale cigarette smoke around them. In fact, cigarettes are not only dangerous for active smokers, but also for other people who accidentally inhale the smoke. The other people is we call passive smoker. Passive smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke poses significant health risk to non-smokers, mirroring many of the negative impacts of active smoking. It can increase the risk of various diseases, including heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory infection, particularly in children. So, what you gonna do if the passive smoking is also get the negative side of smoke when they are not the one who did that? They are not the one who smoke. And for this situation, I think maybe government or even the university itself provide a free smoke area for the one who smoke and the safe smoke area for the one who do not smoke, just like in a cafe or restaurant, and there's an outdoor area and indoor area. It is for smoke and it is for not smoke. It can be a better, it can be option. It could be an option for us to make that happen. Yeah, that's my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Thank you. Today I'm gonna explain about the usage of modal in request word from basic English literature. The first modal verb in request word is can. This is so common for any English speaker. This is used for asking for help, informal permission, or even daily conversation. For example, can you help me moving this table? Or can I get that too? Using can in a request indicates a low level of formality, often used in conversation between relative or close ones, your friend, your best friend, classmates, or anything. And the second modal verb in request word is could. Could can be defined as slightly more formal than can and also more polite. And for example, could you pass me the pen? And the second example is could Could I have break tomorrow? Yeah. Could reflects more politeness and also showing appreciation, so it's usually used in formal situation. The third modal verb in request word is would. Would very polite and formal than the other two. For example, would you mind turn that music down, please? There's no please there, so would you give me a ride tonight? That's the second example. Would shows more politeness, more concern and comfort in request words, commonly used in professional situation, like when you attending galas, attending a meeting, or something like that. The fourth word is may. May is an official request used in formal situation in a serious manner. For example, may I have a word with the manager, please? And the second one is, may we discuss this for a moment? May is a highly formality representation that commonly used in a professional conversation in a formal events. So may is the most formal among the last three. And next one is will. Will is a non-formal word, non-formal model in a request word, and it's also directly into the point. For example, is will you save me a seat? Or will you close the curtain? Will is an informal model that goes directly to the point, like what I said before, the type of request that commonly used between friends, co-workers, etc. It's more like enjoyable for daily situation. Next one, request word can be also used with would you mind and do you mind. For would you mind, it's usually used to make a polite request. For the formula, it goes would you mind plus verb ing. Would you mind passing me that pen? Would you mind being more quiet? Would you mind shutting the window? So that's how you use would you mind. The second one is do you mind. Do you mind plus verb ing. This one is less polite than would you mind. For example, do you mind helping me doing my work? Next is affirmative question. The formula is modal plus subject plus verb in best form. Example, may I ask, when were you this morning? The second one is, would you like something to drink? Could you check my writing? Will you give me a ride home? Can you buy me some ice cream? That's how affirmative questions in a request word. Negative questions. For negative questions, we have the formula is modal plus subject plus not plus verb, still in the best form. For example, would you not interrupting others talking? Could you not smoke here? Will you not littering? Can you not being annoying? That's the example of negative questions. Please. The next one is please. Please can be added either after the subject or at the end of the sentence to make the sentence more polite. I have some examples here. Would you please the side door? Would you please shut the door? Would you please shut the door? Here the please is on the middle of the sentence. And the second is could you take our order, please? The please is at the end of the sentence. Can you please pass me the paper? Will you lend me some money, please? That's some of example of using please. Making offers using can, would, could, may. Model in request words could also can be used for making offers. For example, could I offer you a beverage? Can I bring you something to drink? May I take your order? Or would you like a beverage? Something like that. The next ones we have invitation. Would, could, will, or can also can use in an invitation. For example, would you like to come over tonight? Would you come early? Will you come to the movies with us? Can you come home early tonight? That's how we invite people, we invite others with request words. We request them to come. We invite them to come. Thank you for listening. I'm Naysila Nita. Bye bye.